Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time on this channel, you are most welcome. So basically I'm moisturizing my face with some moisturizer. Now I'm concealing my eyes with some concealer to be a base for my eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying. And obviously I'm charming, so I'm going to be taking that pink shade. It's supposed to be a blush, and I'm going to be applying that on my crease, blending it everywhere. Okay, so I really wanted a halo eye, so I'm just blending everything in, taking some concealer, creating that halo shape on my eye, and I'm just blending it out evenly. Yes guys, doesn't have to be perfect. So now I'm gonna be taking like silver shade, and I'm applying that with my finger on my eyelid, just basically blending everything in, and it looks like a mess. But now this is the part where I'm taking that same brush off mine and I'm just fixing the edges to get that halo effect. Now I'm going to be using my Essence 16 Hour foundation, and I'm just applying it all over my face, blending it out with a brush. And this is my perfect shade, guys. Look at that perfect shade, and it's nice because it's not matte, it's a dewy finish. So now I took a darker foundation and I'm basically just contouring my face. This foundation is quite orange, which is something that I like because the contour, honey, is perfect. And now I'm just blending out that contour with my beauty blender using some LA GoPro concealer, applying that on the high points of my face, the places where I want that nice popping highlight. Just blending my concealer in, blending it underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose bridge, my chin, the top of my lip. So yeah, and I'm jamming, guys. Yes baby. Applying my Revlon Candid powder underneath my eyes. This powder is quite dark, so it gives me like a natural look, and that's what I was going for. And I'm setting my smile lines because that's where I crease a lot, because I'm always smiling and laughing. Now I'm going to be using like a dark brown shade for my contour. This is a Avon Quad palette, so I'm just using that dark brown shade and I'm just applying it where I applied the cream contour, and I'm just setting the cream contour basically using my Avon face powder, just setting the rest of my face. And yeah, taking a nude lippy, I line my lips off camera, and baby, that looks so good. So if it's your first time on the channel, subscribe, guys. Now I'm taking a purple shade, placing it underneath my eyes, and then I'm blending that purple with some pink, and that just gave everything a pop. I'm applying my highlighter, and yes baby, I love this highlighter so much. So that tiny palette is my beauty treats. Pretty much the finished makeup look. I decided to end my makeup right here. I don't want to put on lashes. I don't want to put on eyeliner at the bottom of my lashes because I'm having like eye issues, so I don't want those things getting close to my eyes. So some people might stop here, knowing a lot of people that don't know how to apply lashes. They're gonna stop here. I'm also gonna stop here. I'm not gonna bother to go to the next step. So this is basically the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Forgive the radio in the background, I know it's making noise. So yeah guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.